Hi everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. Today's project is for beginners. They are simple earrings with metal beads and colored beads. I have them in 2 different colors, and I'm gonna make the third one as a tutorial so you can see. And I've also got this bead, this beaded earring that has a heart and a beautiful agate bead. So if you're interested, I'd be honored if you keep on watching. Okay, to make this earring, you're gonna need a few items. You will need head pins, and these are the head pins that I chose, the ones that have the loop on the bottom. And you will need ear wires. Those are the kind that I'm using in the tutorial. And you will need metal beads. The ones I've chosen have flowers, kind of a flower theme. And also you will need whatever colored beads of your choice that you'd like to have. And I chose blue. You need round nose pliers, and this is optional if you would like to use a looping tool. These are about maybe $24. You can also make a loop with this. So that tool is completely optional. Alright, so let's get started. First, I'll take my head pin and I'll put on the largest flower. I'll put on my blue bead, one of my blue beads, and I'll put on the other flower, and I'll end it with another one of my blue jasper beads. They're called rondelles because of their shape, kind of like a circle, but maybe a flattened circle. Okay, the first time I'm gonna make it with this kind of just the round nose pliers. So I take the end of the head pin, I wrap it around, take it out, and use the other side of the pliers. And I'm gonna wrap around one time, and then I need flush cutters. That is the other item we need to snip off the bottom there. So I snip off the bottom, and I might have to adjust a little bit. I don't want the loop to be too big or too small. We want the ear wire to fit, so I think I'm going to just snip off a little bit more. And then use the round part of the round nose pliers like that, just to finish the loop. And then I'm going to add my ear wire. I make earrings enough that it was very cost effective for me to go ahead and buy the looper, because I'm always making loops. So I'll show you what the same earring looks like using the looper. Okay, I have the larger flower. We'll do the same process. Then I have a blue rondelle bead and the smaller flower, and I think I use that bead. That's very pretty. Okay, and this time I'm using the looping tool, the looper. Looks like that. There's a hole or a spot for the head pin to go through, and then there's a hole at the other end. And so you put everything through the you put everything through the that area I just showed you, and then you have a little piece of the head pin sticking out of the bottom, and then you use it like it's a set of pliers, and your loop is made so easily. I hope you can see that. It's right there. I made that loop pretty easily. And so all I need to do now is apply the ear wire. I adjust it to make sure it's closed well. Very good, it's all closed up. It's not gonna come apart. So I open the ear wire like this. Just one move upward, and that's all I need with the ear wire. And then I push it back down. That's all, and it's all tight. You can see that there are no openings there. And so there are the blue earrings. So I've got the blue, and I've got my green, and I got my purple. Okay, and the last earring is this one. It's this pretty heart earring. And one thing I love about this, you can be artistic. You can use whatever beads you want. Nettle beads. You can use, you know, colored beads. The little tiny seed beads. Just whatever. It's all up to you and your creativity. This bead is so pretty. It's got lots of neutral tones. That is called an agate bead. And then I've got one silver spacer bead at the top. And I'm going to use my looping tool. And I'm going to add a ear wire. And I've got 4 pair of earrings in a very short amount of time. So this would be awesome to give somebody, like as a present. Wear yourself. They're just so fun to make, and you can do so many different things with these earrings. I would like for you guys to comment below and tell me how come you like to make jewelry. I like to do it because it's fun. It's a stress reliever. And then when you're done, you have a beautiful product, you know, something that you can wear or give to somebody else. Thank you so much for watching. It's my pleasure to make this video for you. Please don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Till the next tutorial, bye bye.